How to change the color of dimension text in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by DIMCLRT system variable. It can change the color of dimension text. Its valid range is from 0 to 256. By default its value is 0, which means white color of dimension text. You can assign any color and change the color of dimension text easily. See how it works. First we create a linear dimension. You can see by default text color is white. You can assign any color which are available under color command. Run DIMCLRT and change its value to 1. Create a linear dimension. You can see text color is changed to red. Run DIMCLRT and change its value to 2. Create a linear dimension. You can see text color is changed to yellow. Run DIMCLRT and change its value to 200. Create a linear dimension. You can see text color is changed to blue. Run DIMCLRT and change its value to 220. Create a linear dimension. You can see text color is changed to magenta. So you can assign any color by the help of this variable.